Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base dimension is dia 100 and 80, length is 100 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select the plane, select circle, create two circles, dia 100 and 80. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetric 100 mm. Next, one more circular part, diameter 60, 45, length is 60 mm. Sketch, select circle, 60, 45, distance is 100 mm. Give the vertical constraint. Finish sketch, extrude 60 mm. Next, for connecting these two parts, 4 sides ribs is there. Select this plane, sketch, select line, give the tangent constraints, extend this line, select this and this line, select project geometry, select inside line also. So finish sketch, extrude 15 mm. Okay. Next, select plane, sketch, select line, finish sketch, select rib, thickness is 15 mm. Okay. Select this rib, mirror, center plane. Okay. That's it, friends. You can compare both the drawings. Assign material, steel, stainless steel, or you can change the polishes here. Usually semi polished will come on the SS material, so if you required, you can change the polishes. And also you can edit the color here, adjust, select entire body, select the color like this. You can assign the color. That's it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.